Good afternoon. Welcome back into Midday in Kansas. Wrapping the show up today with our good friend Charlene Patton of the Kansas Soybean Commission. Charlene, we had a lovely chutney and loin roast that we featured this morning from the Soybean Commission, and today we're rounding it all out with the side dish, right?
We sure are. We're planning a backyard bash to help everybody who's been staying home have an extra special meal. And what the side dish is that we're going to make is a Calico country baked beans. Love this recipe. You can bake it in your oven and have it ready. It can either be served hot or cold. But to start out with, we're going to take 4 strips of bacon and we're going to chop them and then saute them in a skillet until they're cooked but not crisp. We're going to remove the bacon then from the skillet and divide it in half. So we're using it in 2 different parts. We're going to add the chopped onion to the skillet and then cook that onion, just saute it until it's tender. And then in a mixing bowl, we're going to combine 3 types of beans. We've got our black soybeans and our Great Northern beans, which we've rinsed and drained both of those. And then to that, we're going to add our pork and beans. We'll then add our barbecue sauce, which is 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/3 cup of our brown sugar, a tablespoon of dry mustard, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to then add half of that crumbled bacon that we cooked earlier, and we'll add all of the onions. We'll pour that mixture into a greased 2-quart baking dish. And then we're going to top with the last part of that bacon. Sprinkle that over the top of that baked in our casserole. And we're going to bake that at 325 degrees for from 60 to 90 minutes, Chris. You can decide on how the consistency you'd like to have that. I have loved it at either way. You can serve that then either hot or cold. It's perfect side dish to serve with our rotisserie pork loin roast that we did this morning.
Looks amazing. The only addition that I would add to that, Charlene, is 4 pieces of bacon just doesn't seem like enough. Maybe we could throw a few more in there, okay?
We can certainly double up on that.
All
That
right.
would be a great modification.
There
Chris.
we go. There we go. All right, Charlene Patton, we can find these recipes, the recipes we featured this morning, including this one this afternoon, on your website, right?
That's right, at kansassoybeans.org, or be sure and call our 800 number 877-KS Soybeans and ask for the August recipes.
All right, Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. As always, great to see you, Charlene. Thanks for the great recipes.
Thank you, Chris.
All right, and thanks for watching Midday in Kansas. See you tomorrow morning starting at 5.